Hey guys, my name is Ruben Dante, and in today's video I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to use Thinkorswim from the iOS device mobile trader platform, more specifically how to trade options from a Thinkorswim mobile platform. So I'm just going to open up the platform as you guys just saw, and the first thing I see here is the watch list, quotes, or whatever. Sometimes you can open on orders, or usually you open up on positions. So from here down here, you just go to the bottom menu, you just go to quotes, click on that. And then let's say you want to enter, whatever you want. Let's say JD, right, which is already on there. And usually you open up with the chart. You can see the chart. You can see if you want to see 3 days or 1 day, 3 years, 10 days, 1 hour, etc. Right. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave it at 3 years day, just for examples. And here, if you wanted to trade it, you can just click trade if you want to do the stock itself. And then you can control how many shares or whatever you want. So we're gonna go ahead and cancel. To trade the options, we're gonna go to options here. And I will look at the options chain, right? So you see the most immediate expiration date available on the drop down. So I'm gonna go ahead and erase that or close that and click single here. And then you can do custom, or you can do whatever you want. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave it at single. And on strikes, usually defaults to like 10 strikes. I'm gonna go ahead and say all for this. And you can see here all the expiration, all the different expiration dates. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to January. You can see all the strikes available for January. So if you wanna buy the 23 call here for January, it's $2.31. Go ahead and click on that, and then you can do the limit price, stop, etc. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave it at limit, obviously, because I have no current JD for this example. And you can say what is the limit you want to buy it at. So you can say $2. You can put on there whatever you want, and you can have good till cancel or just for today. If you have it just for today, your order will expire at the end of the day. Good till cancel will expire when you cancel it. So you can also drag it from mid to ask here on this area. But we just made a custom limit order, so do it at $1. And conditions, and then if you want to add an options leg, you just click add option leg. And then you can do the same date. You can do whatever you want. So you can say sell put or whatever. Done. And then if you want to modify that, you can close it like this. And you just go ahead and click confirm. And that is how you would create an order on buying an option or selling an options contract on the TOS mobile platform. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, please subscribe. I'll be posting a lot more tutorial videos on mobile platforms and just trading in general. With trade investing, any asset class, you can lose all or more of your capital. So quick disclosure, nothing is a buy, sell, or hold recommendation. Do your due diligence before you buy or sell anything. You definitely want to be educated in this world if you want to trade the leveraged asset classes or any asset class, stocks, futures, forex, options. So anyway, guys, have a great rest of your day, and I hope to hear from you guys soon.